Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm reacting to all of your drift videos. So these are clips submitted by you guys on our Discord. If you want to do that, the link is in the description. It's super easy. Let's start out with this Miata. It says NA Miata.
Get out of my way.
On the power. A little mangy to the straight. Hey, giving her everything she's got. I like it. I like the aggression on the entry too. Like, you really just have to send it when you're in a low horsepower car, and I think that's why it's valuable to learn that way. All right, this is from Talon Enzo. What we got? Nice, I like the sticker. Although he could have a Haugen Racing sticker on the gauges. That'd be even cooler, but you know. Someday we'll get there. Nice, I like how he's flicking the wheel, letting it flow through his hands, catching it at the proper time. I know it's a little hard to see from the passenger aspect, but overall, looks pretty good. Let's see an outside view here. Nice. So, a little sketchy over by the wall. It did good though. So overall, like here when you transition, so you're on throttle nice and like consistent through that turn. Kind of straightened out there. I know it is a little sketchy going in the wall, so this course is a little crazy for beginners just with the wall right there. Just hold your power a little bit longer and get a little bit more of that pendulum effect. Let it whip around and then catch it on throttle sooner and just get back on throttle a little harder. Even if you need to do a little clutch kick as you're transitioning or when you finish the transition, that would just be a little smoother way to get through there, but still, good job. Like, just keep ripping. All right, this is from Ifini on Discord, FR Legends. What are we gonna see? What on earth? 360 jump drift. It was like a little bit invert too. That was outrageous. All right, this is from Sideways_Drifter on Discord, a little Forza Horizon. Oh my God, in the Huna truck. What the heck? Wait, did you just wall ride with the front of your vehicle? Is that a thing? Comment below. Can you wall ride with the front of your vehicle? I don't even know. Imagine that in real life. That is just outrageous. Guys, drift everything. We got a quad doing a little drifting. Let's go. 2 hands on the controls. Oh, it's sick. All right, this is from Floria Callan on YouTube. I think I said that right. He's flexing on us with the 1-footed drifting. You gotta just be super committed with throttle if you're like not gonna touch clutch or handbrake. If you're only really using 1 foot, you can only really like 4-wheel slide with the brake. I've actually done this in real life.
What are you doing right now? The triple pad, whatever that is.
But this is actually good practice because there's gonna be times where you need to do something quick. So I kind of like practicing, practicing with 1 hand. Even though I say drift with 2 hands, it's still good to sometimes practice with just 1 hand and practice with just 1 foot. But know you're intentionally doing that, right? And then go back to doing it normal. It kind of helps train you. All right, this is from Scotty Ray 44 on Discord. He said, what would you call this? Okay, that's actually sick. I love doing that in real life. I'll come in and I'll do kind of a reverse the opposite way of the corner. So I don't really know if there's a name for it. I like seeing other people do that. I know I wasn't the one that invented it or anything, but I do find it to be really fun. You know what else I find to be really fun? Can you guess? Shopping at HaugenRacing.com. Guys, before we get all these big sponsors and I gotta do like this video sponsored by, it's as easy as just going and shopping at HaugenRacing.com, buying yourself some merch, and then I can just be quiet about it. Go check it out, buy yourself something, and yeah, then come back to this video. All right, this is from Cobra Kai. Big fan of Haugen Racing, I love it, so good. Oh my God, the car is so dope too. Got the Haugen Racing livery. I think that's the R32, but he converted it to make it look like an R34. It's so sick. Oh, nice 360. Just shredding on FR Legends, I love it. All right, this is from Sampo on Discord. Nice, we got a wheel cam, I love that. All right, how's he gonna enter? Down, never mind. All right, this is from Go Fast 010 on Discord. He said he got to drive his friend's JZ S14. I mean, overall, you're ripping, dude. Heck yeah. Just think about kind of like chilling a little bit. Like I know it's your first time in the car and you're still kind of getting used to the whole thing. So you can be pretty stoked and excited. And sometimes that shows through how you control the steering wheel and kind of what you do with the rest of the controls as well as throttle. So that's one thing to always kind of think about is like you want to be excited, you want to be in the zone and stoked, but you also want to be like in the moment, right? But overall, like really, really good. But that's just something that I think about for myself too. Like if I notice, man, I'm just kind of being crazy right now, go back, take a breather, jump back in. All right, this is from Baki on Discord. I know it's a little dark, Mayhan in the night. Oh, on throttle as he's backwards, brought it right out to the tire wall. That was sick. Full send, heck yeah. All right, this is from Jammin on Discord. I think he's on TikTok as well. Okay, Willow Springs, Horse Thief Mile. I want to see something sick going down the hill. Come on, baby. All right, bringing it around this corner. This is like one of the sickest parts in real life, and it's so gnarly. You can actually chain like this whole corner going downhill, and you can kind of use some angle to slow yourself down, but most guys will, including myself, will really handbrake down at the bottom to kind of slow yourself down. Let's see if he does it. No, you'd already be doing one drift all the way down, so he's manjiing through it. That's all right though. It's all right. Jammin, I want to see more out of you. Come back in a pro car. I want to see you chain that whole corner. All right, this is kind of sick. This is from B-Man420 on YouTube and Discord. That's actually me in the lead. I just got my new pedals that night, so I was kind of getting used to them. Definitely a sick upgrade. I think I'm almost there with getting used to them and kind of dialing them in, but they're definitely way more realistic to real life. Now I'm just gonna critique my own driving. B-Man's doing a great job. Let's see. Let's critique the shit out of Haugen Racing. It's his turn. You could go faster. You could have more angle. Two hands on the steering wheel or nah, huh? All right, decent little manji to the straight there. I would like to see a little more angle from Haugen Racing up there in the front. I mean, he's doing a pretty good job, but I wish I had a wheel cam and pedal cam so we could really like dive in on this guy. Overall, not bad. It could be better. He's got some room to improve for sure. B-Man though, he's killing it. Guys, by the way, if you get any clips of us driving together, I think this is cool, and I'll just go ahead and critique myself, so. Oh, nice flick over there, that was sick. B-Man's doing a good job of keeping up too. Like, I drive the shit out of that car. I drive it really fast, so props to him. All right, these are getting to be some of my favorite videos. I love watching you guys shred. It's kind of funny that somehow I made an appearance. But again, if I make an appearance in one of your guys' videos, I'll just react to both of us and nitpick myself just the same way. As always, guys, it's all love. I'm trying to learn myself, hoping you guys learn as well, and I just want to see everybody shredding to their maximum capabilities. So if you guys enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want to submit your own videos, just go to our Discord. It's super easy. You can drop YouTube links in there and whatever. All right, we'll see you soon. I love you. Thank you for watching. Peace.